All right, this is a video of synthetic division and remainder. So, a warm-up. The leading coefficient here is -5. The degree would be x times x squared. Which equals x cubed. Therefore, the degree is 3. And then the end behavior as s approach. So we look at the leading coefficient is negative, and the degree is odd. So the left end goes up. So on the left goes to infinity, and on the right goes to negative infinity. And then to find the zeros, equate everything to 0. So x minus 2 equals 0, or x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Just solve both of those. On the left here, x is going to equal negative, x equals positive 2, sorry, x equal 2. Or plugging in the quadratic formula, x equal -2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4 times 2 times 5 divided by 2. X equal -2 square root of 4 minus 40 is -36. So x equal -2 plus or minus 6i over 2 so x equal -1 plus or minus 3i. So reviewing the answers for the warm-up, leading coefficient -5, the degree is 3. The left-handed behavior approaches infinity, right approaches negative infinity. The zeros x equal 2 and x equal -1 plus 3i and x equal -1 minus 3i. So the objective today, students will use synthetic division to divide polynomials when the divisor is degree 1 with a coefficient of 1. Students will write the results with and without remainders. So we just did the warm-up, we did the notes, and then some practice. And the homework is, if you haven't done the dividing practice, synthetic division, then you can do that on Wednesday. So here's an example. Here's the example of the long division. So the synthetic division, what we're going to do is we're going to make an L shape here. And we're going to, this is x minus a. We're going to divide by a. So our a value is actually 2 here. So and then we're going to put the coefficients in descending order. So 1, 2, -20, and 24. So first thing we do is bring down the 1, and then multiply, then add. Once we get a 4 here, then multiply 2 times 4 is 8. And then add, you get -12. And then multiply 2 times -12 is -24. And we get a remainder 0 here. So the degree of the original polynomial is 3. So we're gonna, this answer is gonna be 1 less than the degree here. So this is cubic, this is squared. So you got 1x squared plus 4x minus 12. And if we wanted to put the polynomial in factored form, x cubed plus 2x squared minus 20x plus 24 equals x minus 2 times x squared plus 4x minus 12. We'd actually find the zeros if we equated both of these to 0, but it doesn't ask for that. So I'm just going to stop there. So what I want you to do in this lesson is use synthetic division here. So Now this next one, you want to make the L shape. Then the opposite of 3 is -3, so divided by x minus a, so x minus a -3 would be x plus 3. And then put the coefficients in descending order. Notice we don't have an x squared here, so I have to have a 0 placeholder there. And a 2 and a 33. So bring down the 1 here. And then multiply. -3 times 1 is -3, add. Then -3 times -3 is 9. Add these two together, get 11. And then -3 times 11 is -33. Add those, you get a 0. So you can say that f of x equals x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 11. So what if there's a remainder? On this slide, there's going to be 1. So -4 goes on the outside. Then the coefficients in descending order, 2, 3, -11, 10. Bring down the 2, and -8, and add -5. -5 times -4 is 20. Add these together, get 9. And -4 times 9 is -36. Add these, get -26. So I have 2x squared minus 5x plus 9 minus 26 over the divisor. And you can put this in factor form. It's kind of awkward and messy, but x squared minus 5x plus 9 26 You don't usually see this written this way, so sometimes you just ask for the quotient here. So number example 4 is also going to have a remainder on one of them. Anyway, so 2 on the outside here, 2, 1, -21. Bring down to 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Add, you get a 5. Multiply, get 10. Add, get negative 11. So 2x plus 5 minus 11 over x minus 2. And then for the other problem there, whoop, it should be a 3. Bring down to 2, multiply, get 6. Add, you get a 7. Multiply, you get 21. So, and the remainder is 0. I can say that 2x squared plus x equals x minus 3 times 2x squared plus 7x plus 1 plus should be 2x plus 7. And practice problem 1. I'm going to do 1, negative 8, negative 7, negative 18, and a 9. Bring down the 1, multiply, 9, add, get a 1. 1 times 9 is 9. Add, you get a 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Add, you get a 0. This will be x squared plus x plus 2. So x minus 9 times x squared plus x plus 2. A value is negative 4 and 1, 5, and 4. Bring down the 1, multiply, add, multiply, add, get x plus 1. So x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals x plus 4 times x plus 1. The zeros here are easy to find. So -4 and -1. Number 9, make this a -1, so 1, -8, 22, and -20. Bring down the 1, multiply, add, you get -9, multiply, you get +9, 31, multiply, you get -31, add, you get -51. So x squared minus 9x plus 31 minus 51 over x plus 1. So x cubed minus 8x squared plus 22x minus 20 equals plus 1 x squared minus 9x plus 31 minus 51 over x plus 1. And then here, 1, -1, -1, and -2, and you divide by 2. Bring down the 1, multiply 2, add, you get a 1, multiply, you get a 2, add, you get a 1, multiply, you get a 2, add, you get the remainder of 0. So x squared plus x plus 1. Here you would have x cubed minus x squared minus x minus 2 equals x minus 2 times x squared plus x plus 1. Here you could find the zeros because x equal 2 is one of the zeros. The other two would be complex. And this one, I could look for the integer zeros here, 3 and 7. So x minus 3 and 7 are zeros. minus 3 and x minus 7 are factors. So divide the original polynomial by 3. So 1, negative 8, negative 1, 62, and negative 42. Multiply, add, multiply, something's wrong here. Let's see, 1, 3 times 1, 3, negative 8, you get negative 5, negative 15 times, this would be a negative 15. So this becomes negative 16 and 30 and 18 is 48. So negative 48, add 4, 14, and then multiply, you get 42 and 0. So you want to take this result here, 1, negative 5, negative 16, and 14. And the other 0 is 7. So bring down the 1. 7, add, you get 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Add, you get negative 2. Multiply, negative 14. 0. So the polynomial in factored form would be f of x equal x minus 3 times x minus 7. And then you're going to, this would be, so this is a cubic, this would be squared, x squared plus 2x minus 2.